I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 of my fidget spinners and 1 of my fidget cube. Let's get to it. So this is one that I have got, 2-sided, and you can see there, just there. There. It's silver. So it's got like hard foam, and this is a silver 2-sided fidget spinner. It makes a noise. So if you want to annoy someone, get this one. I don't know if all of them make this noise. You can get ones that have lights in there, and when you spin it, lights. But I haven't got that one. I don't know if you can take the caps off. It would be really cool if you can. And you can spin it like that. Really cool. That is the box there, the front cover of it, and then that's the inside of it. It's cool. Hard foam, like I said before. I don't know if it will be a little bit blurry or not. Now for my fidget cube. If you don't know what a fidget cube is, it's like a fidget spinner, but you don't spin it. It's got like all these fidget stuff on it, and it's a cube. You can get different backgrounds. I've got this background. That bit, put your finger on it. You can rest your finger, or you can rub your finger. It feels really nice. And then this, spin it around. That's my favourite one. On and off switch. This is like a remote control stick. It's really cool. No, I didn't get the right button. So, those 2 don't click, but these 3 do. So, and then this one, you just do that, I think. And I think that's all the fidget stuff on this. Remember the silver one. This was in my first video of fidget spinners, and this was in my first video of fidget spinners. They're both really cool. This one's easy to spin. This one, it's got one side where it doesn't spin very well. Have I put it on too tight? See, it doesn't spin very well. Then the other side spins perfectly. And then, last but not least, the gold fidget spinner. It's really easy to spin like this one. I don't know if it's heavy. If you guys get this one, comment down below if you have it. I got it on Amazon, searched gold fidget spinners, and this was for £1. Just for this. And it's metal. So, I think it's metal anyway. And this one's metal. I think it's metal. That'll be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Click that bell icon, thumbs up, and subscribe. Let's try and get 10 likes. See you guys next time. Bye.